Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam here, your GoHighLevel trainer. So that's our lecture number 36, and in this lecture we are going to learn about the media storage in GoHighLevel, and how to connect your media storage with your Google Drive, and how you can use AI image generation in media storage features. Media storage is a new feature. So let me go to the media storage. So simply I just click on the media storage icon here. Here you can see it's loading here in a media storage, and here we have different features. For example, if you want to link your Google Drive, you can simply click on it and you can link your Google Drive link. And if you want to generate AI image, you can click on it and you can generate your AI image. And here you can upload your assets, your images, videos, and if your GIF files, whatever you want to use in your landing page funnels and automations, you can upload here. Even you can upload your PDF files as well. And here is a few folders that we have created in our sub account, and we can use it to accommodate our files, and we can send files from one sub account to another sub account as well. So first of all, I'm just going to create a folder, and then we will upload on assets on it. So for example, I just say that's our test folder for upload test folder. I just save it, and here you can see our test folder is ready. I just double click on it and it will be open, and I will add our storage and our media on it. For example, I just simply click, drag and drop, move to the folder, and I want to this one, just simply drag and drop and move to the folder. And if you want to upload on other file, just simply click on it and it will be, you can select your folder wherever you want to upload your files. For example, I just want to upload this file and I just open it, and it will be drag here, and otherwise you can open your folder here by double click, and you can upload your files on folder as well. So if you want to link your Google Drive with the GoHighLevel, it's super easy. I want to go to okay, it says you're already your account is already connected here, so that's why I'm not able to connect another account. So if you want to add your own account, simply just click on it and log in with your email with Google Drive, and you can easily click on it, easily link with your GoHighLevel. Another thing is that here is a total storage that you're using in your GoHighLevel, and you can check all the things here, and here you can modify or you can arrange your all detail according to your requirement. And if you want to change layout, simply click on it, and you can see you can change layout as well. And I just say, if you want to change rename folder name, just simply click on three dot and rename it. If you want to delete it, simply click and delete on it. And here we have some backgrounds, Unsplash, and other websites as well. For example, you want image from Unsplash. Unsplash is a free website where you can download your image, your stock image, and you can utilize for your funnels. And I will say boy. So here is all images from Unsplash that are pop up here, and you can let me make it bigger. You can for your websites, your funnels, wherever you want to use it, simply click on it and you can utilize it. Another thing is that creating image with AI, simply click on it and you can explain your image. I will say by playing cricket, I just say by playing cricket, I will say generate a photo. So it will be start generating a photo. It will take few minutes, and after that your photo will be generated, and you can utilize your funnels on your websites and your store as well. Yeah, it says undefined because it's just the prompt is not clear yet, but you can give your prompt and it will be generate image, and you can utilize it for your funnels and wherever you want to add. And here is from Unsplash. Want to use from Pixabay, simply click on it. If you want to use your Google Drive, so simply click on it and you can utilize image or data from Google Drive. But for now, I'm going to select all one. So here we just receive all one here. And if you need a background, so simply click on this backgrounds, and here we have different backgrounds from background websites and you can utilize it for your purpose and for your video purpose or for your funnels, wherever you want to use. It's super easy, just drag and drop and use it. And here you can create folder that I have already discussed it, and you can utilize this. For example, you want to add just for now I'm going to use my own media, and use this image or this folder outside the GoHighLevel. It's super easy, just simply click on it, get link, and after that your link is automatically copied and you can utilize it anywhere in outside of GoHighLevel. For example, you want to use in your WordPress website, you want to use in your direct another website, so simply just copy this URL. So simply copy this URL from here and you can utilize it anywhere, wherever you want to use it. And yeah, that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, it's super easy. Just go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation here, and you will get, go to leadsflex.com, book free consultation. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can utilize GoHighLevel. And if you have any concern, I will also guide you here as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.